Hi, I'm Steve from Norfolk and Good Road to Self-Sufficiency. Today is a beautiful, bright, sunny day. I want to get a few jobs done around the garden, but the ground, after 5 relentless days of rain, it's a bit too hard to dig, and I don't want to turn the ground any further into the quagmire that it already is. So there's a few things I want to do today. Before I get into my jobs today, I want to start this video off by wishing Monty of My Family Garden, wish you and your family health, mate. Hope you get well soon. I hope the dreaded COVID doesn't hit you too hard. So wish you well, mate. Second message is to Erica from Erica's Little Welsh Garden. She set us a potato challenge. I'm going to be starting that at some point today, so I shall get the potatoes out of the bag and get them ready for chitting. My main job today is to clear a bit of the courtyard. It's become all overgrown, there's weeds growing everywhere, ivy's gone rampant around it, bless her. And I've got a little cheap trail camera that I'm going to be putting up in the area that's going to be our chicken run, to see, before I get the chickens, if there's any animals that may come in and attack them or whatever. So those are the things I'm going to be doing today. I'll see you soon. So this area that I'm in now is going to be the chicken run. It's some 50-60 meters long. It's about 8-9 meters wide. The plan is to have 3, maybe 4 different sets of coops in here, or at least 3-4 different areas where I might have 2 coops, and so that we can move them around. We'll keep them down the far end during the summer, furthest away from the house, and then we'll keep them up here by the green shed, nearer the house in the winter, so they're easier and nearer to the house for us to look after. One of the things that I'm going to do now, as I said earlier, is to put a trail camera up. It's only a cheap 20 quid thing off of eBay. So this is it. Just going to play with it, try and get the positioning right so that we don't get all the movement of the trees setting it off and filling the memory card up too quickly. And if we get anything good out of that over the coming weeks and months, I'll be sure to post it and let you know. Okay, so I've just put the field camera on this old gate that I've taken out from the field somewhere else. Just putting it there just to try and see what we can catch, try and reduce as much movement as possible. Unfortunately, it's a very windy day, and with a lot of leaves and branches moving around, we might use up the memory card within it very quickly, but we're just trying to experiment and find the best place for it so that we can keep an eye on the chicken coop, which will need a bit of work doing to it as well soon. But today, as I said, I'm going to crack on with the courtyard and let this do its thing. So here we have the last part of the courtyard to clear. It's by the conservatory there, and it's blocking all of the light from the sun. Now, this could be a really nice area for chilling out, a cup of coffee, read the papers when we're having a bit of a break from trying to become self-sufficient. I've already done 2/3 of the courtyard, and this area that I'm coming into now used to be just like what we've seen there. So right up to about 3 feet in front of the door there, it was all covered. But now I've cleared all that, and we should start getting our herbs and some nice flowers put in. It's a nice pretty place to sit in and relax, and maybe even have a few beers and a barbecue. So now I've got to crack into the work and get that courtyard cleared. must be a Thursday. I never could get the hang of Thursdays. So done about an hour's work out here, starting to clear it, just had a cup of tea, time to get back on with it. See you later. Well, I think that's me done for today. I think it's time for a cup of tea, and we'll start off Erica's challenge. I'll get some potatoes ready for chitting, and as you can see behind me there, managed to clear a lot of this yard, reclaimed it, uncovered the patio doors. That barbecue's getting ever nearer. Hi, so the day has been done outside. Did a lot of tidying up, really pleased with what I've got achieved with the courtyard, and created a lot of leaf mould as well, as I said when I was outside. So now I'm indoors, got the most important cup of tea, and now I'm getting myself set up for Erica's Christmas challenge. I don't know whether you've seen her videos, Erica's little Welsh garden. Cracking little vlog that she has going there, but she challenged us to buy a cheap bag of potatoes from the supermarket, get them for about 19p, 1.5 kilograms. Unfortunately, the largest retailer in the country that's near me, 29p bag for 2.5 kilos. I did say to Erica that I wouldn't cheat, so what we're going to do now is just weigh out 1.5 kilos, and then I'm going to get them chitting. Okay, bit of a problem there. Using scales expecting a big fat human on, putting small potatoes on wouldn't register. So what I had to do, bit of lateral thinking, weigh myself, pick up some potatoes, weigh myself again, making sure I've got 1.5 kilos. So out of that 2.5 kilo bag there, we've got 7 potatoes, there's 3 there, and 4 there that are going to go into the challenge, and the other 5 that are over at the back here, I know where they're going to go. So I'm just going to leave these here in the conservatory to chip in this tray here. The variety of potatoes grown here in Essex by Robert Strathern, whoever he is. The variety is Nectar. So Erica, I'm up for the challenge. Hope you've enjoyed my video today. I felt that as the day was sunny, I'd want to do really good, give you an idea of what I've been up to. My other videos are in a sort of an accumulation of what I've been up to in getting to the stage where I can start growing things and getting things ready. I want to be a bit more involved rather than just sort of show you what I have been doing. So thanks for your time. If you've enjoyed the video, click the subscribe button down below, leave any comments, ring the bell for notification, and I'll see you all again soon. Stay safe, keep life simple.